Welcome back to Roses and Relics, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm sharing 6 elegant and timeless ways to style roses and baby's breath in a variety of vases. From antique cut glass to sleek modern vessels. Whether you're creating a beautiful Mother's Day flower arrangement, refreshing your space for spring, or simply love romantic floral designs, you'll find plenty of inspiration here. And be sure to stay tuned to the end of the video where I'll share a few bonus bud vases along with my favorite tips for keeping your roses fresh and fabulous. So let's dive right in with vase number 1.
Now that we've filled our vase with water, let's get started with our roses. And before we add the roses, we're starting with the foundation of baby's breath. This is a great way to help give a little structure to the flowers and allow them to stand up on their own. Now I'm removing all the leaves from the roses. I don't want any of the leaves to touch the water because this can cause the roses to die faster. Now all of the leaves have been removed and we're ready to start cutting the roses. And I'm just using the vase as a guide. This vase is pretty tall, so I won't need to cut too much of the stem. And I'm just cutting the stem at a 45-degree angle. I'm creating some depth in this arrangement by keeping the shorter stems to the outer edges and then adding the longer stems in the center. And here we have our completed arrangement ready for our entryway.
Here are some tips to keep your roses looking fresh and beautiful. First, start with a clean vase. Any leftover bacteria can shorten the life of your blooms, so give it a good wash with warm soapy water and rinse thoroughly. Then be sure to remove any leaves that would sit below the water line. Leaves in the water break down quickly, encouraging bacteria to grow and reducing how long your roses stay fresh. Gently remove any outer petals that look bruised or wilted. These are called the guard petals, and taking them off will help your roses open beautifully while keeping the bouquet looking fresh. Use sharp garden shears to cut each stem at a 45-degree angle. This increases the surface area for water intake and helps your roses stay hydrated and vibrant for longer. Roses prefer lukewarm, filtered water. It helps them absorb moisture more easily. And if you have flower food, now's the perfect time to add it in for an extra boost. To keep your roses looking their best, change your water every 1 or 2 days. Rinse your vase and recut your stems each time if you can for maximum freshness and longevity. Roses thrive in cooler environments, so keep them out of direct sunlight and away from heat sources. A cool spot in your home will help them last beautifully for several days. Those are my favorite tips for keeping your roses fresh and beautiful, but I'd love to hear from you. What are your go-to tricks for making flowers last longer? Share them in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed these floral styling tips and found a little inspiration today, please give this video a like and consider subscribing for more romantic decor, vintage treasures, and timeless beauty each week, right here on Roses and Relics. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.